In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to complete automated backup. For this, we need to activate Deadbolt Turrets with ammo mods, which we can find in Aether chests. You can find Aether chests in Aether nests, and of course, zombie strongholds. There we go, infested strongholds. These are the only places you can find it, in those glowing purple chests. You can't find them anywhere else, at least as far as I know. So for the most part, you'll need to get yourself at least one of these, but hopefully you can find more than one in a stronghold, as put simply, these things are very hard to come across, or at least medium hard to come across. It's a bit annoying, especially if you find that you crash pretty often, as this is going to be a rather long mission, especially if you're solo. Anyways, heading across to the first Aether nest here, we'll try and get ourselves everything we need. So we'll start clearing this one out, until eventually all these bits of goo are gone, and of course hopefully a fellow player doesn't steal everything, but anyways, let's quickly get ourselves to the one and only chest here. The infested strongholds, which are much larger, will have a much higher chance of having everything you need. Okay, so we obviously didn't get everything here, but essentially you'll be checking chests that look like this, either found randomly all over the world. Wow, I'm sliding around for no reason. Or of course, more likely inside of these Aether strongholds and little Aether nests. You can find them randomly, much like this one here, but your odds of finding them in things like this are incredibly low, if not completely impossible. They can only be found inside of those purple chests. So let's go ahead and find ourselves a way to another one, which previously we mentioned was somewhere. There's one there, but I'd rather go to a stronghold, but there's a much higher chance. All right, let's go all the way over there. It basically looks like one of these, but it'll look like a computer chip. There are many different flavors, like there's a cryo and napalm. You get the same thing for turrets. Essentially, you need one of these items to start a turret and use it, so that's what we need to collect. We need to get 3 of these in order to finish the mission. The reason we want to do the strongholds instead of just these smaller ones is because these are just so much smaller with pretty much only one chest inside of them. It's not really worth it at all, to be honest. So inside of this one chest, we don't have what we're looking for. Oh well. Inside of things like these, there'll be way more chests, so you should hopefully find exactly what it is. Yes, so there we go. We found one inside of here. That is a turret circuit. Self-revive. Oh, and there you go. 2. All right, so as you can see, we picked up 3 Deadbolt turret activators, or turret circuits. These aren't actually what we need. We need mods, as in napalm, dead wire, etc., that go onto turrets. So while these are cool and all, I don't actually think we need them for this. For now, let's quickly check the rest of the chests here before we head off for a mod, hopefully. But to be honest, I don't think we'll find anything here. And there's nothing else left here. Alright, well, let's go ahead and find a different stronghold to do. Maybe that nest over there will have something. Alright, so clearing out another one. Hopefully we'll find what we need here. As soon as we clean out the rest of these zombies, that is. Do we have it here? Yeah, there we go. Brain rod turret circuit. That is what we need. Or at least that kind of thing. In here we have not what we need, but I'll take these things anyways. So, yeah, you can find them inside of small ones and big ones. With one of these, let's head across to the closest turret. For me, one is right here. We'll head up and we'll open it up using F or whatever interact, and we'll place inside the brain rod turret circuit. Now, if we close it, it activates, and just like that, we've activated 1 of 3. So, still lots of work needs to be done. There's the next infested stronghold. Hopefully we find what we need there. Yeah, so unfortunately, you don't need these normal turret circuits, and they don't really do anything for us, sadly, so you could probably drop them if you have any. Alright, so let's have a look through the rest of these. Obviously, you don't really want them to be fake, but we don't seem to have what we're looking for here. Another stronghold. Let's see if we have anything that we need in here. Nothing downstairs, upstairs. Nope. There's one. Nope. Here. Nope. Nope. And that's it. Cool. So another waste of time, but we'll go to the next one. That is unfortunately just how this mission goes. It is going to take you a long time to do. Oh, there we go. Almost missed one. Cryo freeze turret circuit. Let's take this and use it. Sweet. Okay, not a complete waste of time, but you'll get used to that anyways. So the closest turret from here is them. We'll go straight for it, and we'll place our modified one in here. Yep, cryo freeze, securing the second of 3 activations. The next place we're going is maybe there. Now it's clear. What do we have? Hey, there we go. Exactly what we're looking for. Let's go complete this dumb mission before we crash again. Finding the next closest turret should be there. That's not exactly where we want to go. I suppose it's where we need to go. Anyways, we'll get it done. Take a car to putting the right one in, activating. Perfect. We're now done with this very annoying mission. Hopefully you found it somewhat useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.